Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are fishing at the lovely Wentworth Falls Lake. I don't know if I'm going to catch a fish today because, as you can see, if you probably can't see on the GoPro lens, but I got this little soft plastic here, which is what I normally use, but I don't have any leader and it's white braid, so you never know, might get something. I'm just going to go up here. There are perch all along here, so I'm going to try and get them out of here. It's quite late in the afternoon, which is also good, so I've got a decent chance. I can see some down there. I'm going to go for the bigger ones along here. And then I've got a little small spinnerbait which will connect onto this soft plastic. It's just a spinnerbait with a hook. There's no like skirting or anything. So I'm going to try that after I catch a few fish with this, if I do. If I don't catch some fish with this, I'll also put the spinnerbait on because it'll add a bit of a buffer from the line, which will make it look less obvious. But I think I'll be all right. Should be able to catch some fish. I'm thinking it's quite hot, so the perch might be travelling deep. So I'm giving it a bit of a rest anyway. Just keep casting out. Keep trying. Should only take a number of casts to pick up a fish. Yeah, plenty. Massive perch. Yeah, usually don't come home empty-handed. Yeah.
What sort of bait you using?
Oh, just a little soft plastic. I think I got a little bite there. See, it might be at the bottom. Yeah, there's perch falling out, I think. Yeah, no. Yeah. I'm gonna try a little squidgy yabby in a bit because I opened up a massive one I caught and there was a big yabby in it. So I might be eating those. Alright. Fish! Oh, just a bit of a reaction there, guys. I was letting someone know what I was talking to. Let's get this. Yeah, plenty. Yeah. Oh, hang on, I'm going to put my foot on him. Yeah, this whole damn bank is really good. I was just getting worried for a second because I didn't bring any leader. Okay. Slice that. Straight through the eyeball. He's finished off. Kill it quickly. You want to say a shout out to the video, or do you want to not be in the channel?
Do you know why GoPros are fisheye?
They don't necessarily have to be fisheye, they put on linear. I can put on linear, make a select. They go to Mount Everest with it and then they want to make sure that it looks round. Yeah, I saw a photo that looks so... Wait, I saw a photo on Mount Everest and the world looked like this. And someone was like, look, the earth is round. I'm like, we're on a plane, it's like 3 times the height and it's still flat. Ooh, oh no. Yeah, man. Oh, bro. Dude. Look at that. You clean that off, lick it off now. Thank you for watching today, guys. Please leave a like and comment. Comment any ideas for any future videos you'd like to see, anything like that. Please let me know what you would like to see happen. I can probably get it done. And also, please share it to your friends, your family. Show anyone who you think might be interested in my videos, anyone who likes fishing, anybody who likes doing anything outdoors. I'll be doing camping, shelter stuff, fishing on this channel, plenty of things like that. So plenty more videos coming down, and please get keen for it. Please let people know who would be interested. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.